Hi, Jared Carmen from the Evie Group, Mornington Peninsula, and welcome to the fantastic 3 at 5 to 7 Johns Road. This is a beautiful property. It's styled amazingly well, and it is one that you can just move straight into. And one of the best things is the location is killer. The beach right over there. So come and check it out. On entry, you get to see just how cool this place is. As you walk in, polished timber floors, and it opens up into this really great sized living space. Quite generous proportion. The kitchen's a great open plan. You've got a dining space just here with a lot of light spilling in. And the kitchen's fabulous. It's like the center of the universe right here. It's just amazing because you can entertain outside. There's a great courtyard. And all this is the center of it. It's fantastic. You've got a great big oven, great cooker, and awesome servery windows so you can serve straight outside. And picture yourself curled up here like a cat, just hanging out, glass of wine, barbecue outside. It's just fabulous. It's a really good space. Downstairs is a full bathroom with a spacious laundry as well, and another space that can be used as a great home office, a study, or a separate living room. So upstairs, there are 4 really good sized bedrooms. So all up, there could be 4 bedrooms, plus a study, or 5 bedrooms, plus 2 studies. So many options. And upstairs, you also have a full bathroom. So there's 3 bathrooms all up. Upstairs bedrooms, all with built-in robes. And the main bedroom is of a really good size, great proportions, very voluminous. And then you also have an ensuite bathroom through the dressing room. So you've got a dressing room here and then the ensuite bathroom. It's just great. This place is awesome. So depending on the time of the day that you're entertaining or you want to be outside, you've got a brilliant courtyard right here with the servery windows straight off the kitchen. You've got a lovely garden through here, nice hydrangeas, and you come up to this fabulous outdoor shower. Everybody loves an outdoor shower, and it's private, right here. Jumping in the suit. The backyard across here is enormous. For a property this size, it is fantastic. I mean, have a look at it. You've got multiple different zones that kids or grandkids can play in, or you can play in. You've got a stage up here, you can hang out. It's just amazing. Really big grassed area, plenty of room for a trampoline. You've got a cubby house. If you wanted to have chooks, you could have chooks, whatever you want. This backyard is brilliant. There's a wood-fired pizza oven, the works. And there's a little secret stash here too. The garage has been converted into a little home office, if you like. This is such a cool property that's low maintenance, but still has an abundance of space. It is fabulous. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself or the team a call anytime. Hurry up, this is going to go fast.